Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to turn off auto-download for photos on the WhatsApp app for PC, following the latest update. If you're tired of unnecessary photos cluttering your storage, this is the perfect solution. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. If you're not already logged in, make sure to scan the QR code using your phone to access your account. Once you're inside WhatsApp, look towards the left side menu. You'll see a gear icon. This is the settings option. Click on it to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, locate and click on the storage option. This section allows you to manage how media files are handled on your device. Now, within the storage settings, you'll see various media types listed, including photos. To stop photos from being downloaded automatically, simply uncheck the box next to photos. And that's it. You've successfully disabled auto-download for photos on WhatsApp for PC. From now on, any photos sent to you will require manual downloading, giving you full control over what gets saved to your device. This simple adjustment not only keeps your storage organized, but also helps save data if you're on a limited plan. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. See you in the next video.